Crypto products and NFTs are unregulated and can be highly risky. There may be no regulatory recourse for any loss from such transactions.
Hi guys, so if you're in your 20s and you've just started earning, then this video is just for you. But does that mean that you won't watch if you're about 30? No, don't worry, I'm just kidding. Actually, this video is for everyone. Just that people in their 20s will probably benefit a bit more since they have more time in their hand. Now, in your investing journey, time matters more than the amount, and this is something I've said multiple times in the past as well कि अगर आपके पास time है और जल्दी investment चालू किया तो you will make a lot of money over a long period of time, right? So compounding का जो effect kick in होता है वो जल्दी investment करने से होता है. Okay, next. Now, if you want some financial independence, जो सब चाहते हैं, right? Before you get old, then make sure you watch this video till the end because I'm going to give you beautiful information. Now, this video is going to be divided in 5 segments ताकि मैं आपको simple तरीके से सब समझा सकता हूँ. The first thing is important things to do before you even start investing. दूसरा चीज है something known as DYOR, which is do your own research. अभी तीसरा we will talk about where and how much to invest because ये problem सबको है, right? The fourth we will talk about the power of compounding, and fifth we will talk about how to get started with investing. So we're going to look at all of these 5 different segments और अगर आप 20s या even 30s में हो तो ये आपको बहुत interesting लगेगा. Now, for a secure life, you need to secure your money smartly. So, पहला चीज ये है कि हम लोग ये डिस्कस करने वाला है कि important things before you start investing. Now, first things first, ensure that you have a life insurance and a health insurance. अभी आपके जिंदगी में अगर आपके पास लाइफ इंश्योरेंस और हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस नहीं है तो आपको बहुत प्रॉब्लम आने वाला है बिकॉज लाइफ इंश्योरेंस और हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस बहुत कम प्रीमियम में आपको बहुत ज्यादा बेनिफिट दे सकते हैं, राइट? नाउ ड्यूरिंग द पैंडेमिक वी सॉ हाउ हेल्थ इश्यूज कैन अफेक्ट योर लाइफ, राइट? एंड इफ पॉसिबल गो फॉर अ हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस इवन इफ योर कंपनी ऑफर्स यू अ कॉर्पोरेट हेल्थ प्लान. अगर आपके पास कॉर्पोरेट हेल्थ प्लान है तो डोंट जस्ट सिट एंड से हाँ मेरे पास है कंपनी देख लेगा. नहीं, आप एक अलग सा प्लान भी ले लो ताकि आपका कवरेज थोड़ा ज्यादा हो जाए, राइट? बिकॉज आज के टाइम पे कुछ भी कभी भी हो सकता है, सो लेट्स जस्ट बी सेफ. Now this is because health insurance companies will also lapse as soon as you switch or leave the organization. तो अगर आप अब भी सोचो जस्ट रिजाइन कर दिया या आपको जॉब से निकाल दिया तो आपका पूरा हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस लैप्स हो जाता है एंड समथिंग हैपेंस टू यू इट विल बी अ बिग इशू. Now you can also opt for a joint insurance plan with your parents. However, the premium amount might slightly be higher based on the age of your parents. But I've seen a lot of people do this. सब लोग करते हैं, but it's completely normal, right? For life insurance, the sooner you get it, the better it is. Because अगर आप young हो, तो आपको बहुत benefit आएगा. और ये क्या benefit है, मैं बताता हूँ. पहला चीज है कि the premium is very low since you are young and आपका chances कुछ गलत होने का chances बहुत कम है. तो इसलिए premium बहुत कम रहता है. Now you are insuring your life against any mishap since the very beginning of your career, which is a very smart thing to do. Now this also acts as an assurance for your family if some unforeseen incident happens to you कि नहीं होना चाहिए कुछ, but अगर कुछ हो गया by mistake गलती से कुछ हो गया तो आपका family बहुत secure हो जाएगा, right? So please take the time out this weekend for these 2 insurances because इसके आगे आप आगे ही नहीं जा सकते. You have to get a life insurance and you have to get a health insurance before you do anything. So the next thing that we will look at is DYOR, which is also known as do your own research. Now, although this term is very popular in the crypto space, it can also be applied to your overall investing journey. Now, educating yourself is the most important thing to do before you put your hard-earned money in any investment class. And I've seen this, right? बहुत लोग ये करते हैं कि कुछ पढ़ाई नहीं करेंगे, ऐसे रिसर्च नहीं करेंगे, डायरेक्टली इन्वेस्ट करेंगे, इधर क्रिप्टो में इन्वेस्ट करेंगे या स्टॉक मार्केट में इन्वेस्ट करेंगे एंड फिर बोलेंगे क्या हो रहा है बॉस, मेरा पैसा डूब रहा है. So please learn first, then invest. And there are multiple resources for you to refer. There are blogs, audiobooks are there, podcast hai, and even some famous financial YouTubers that you can follow as well, right? Very famous people you can check out. Okay. Now, if you want easy and fun crypto related knowledge, then this is the best channel to do so. So you can subscribe to this channel for crypto related content. Now, the Indian education system does not really teach us subjects like personal finance, money management, right? कैसा करे क्या करे हमको कॉलेज में नहीं सिखाया जाता है. We earn money but we don't know how to grow that money, and that is why education is very important and financial literacy is very important, and that is why doing your own research is the best thing that you can do in your life, right? Educate करो अपने आप को, knowledge बढ़ाओ and then invest करो. And by the way, there are some amazing videos on personal finance on this channel also, so you can go check it out in your free time. Number 3 is boss, किधर invest करें और कितना invest करें, right? Now you want to travel to both Manali and Bali, or you want to say that शशांक मेरे को तो retire करना है 40 में और बैंक अकाउंट में अच्छा खासा पैसा हो जाएगा, right? Now it is all possible, it is not unrealistic, but we have a thumb rule for you, and the thumb rule is the 50-30-20 rule. Invest 50% of your money on necessities such as house rent, आपका EMIs, आपका groceries, जो आपको basically चाहिए, right? Next, invest 30% of your money on desires, like आपका family vacation या आपका solo trip, right? मनाली जाना है, बाली जाना है, किधर जाना है, आपको phone लेना है, smart watch लेना है, 30% उधर जाएगा. And finally, the remaining 20% for a secure future, like the actual investment, huh? Now, 20% is the minimum investment amount, but अगर मैं होता तो मैं 20% से 30 या 35% कर लेता, right? You can increase it कभी जब आपका salary ऊपर जाता है. So every time your salary goes up, you can increase your investments as well, and this is called a step-up investment plan, right? So you can increase your investment amount by 10% every year. Now, although आप बोलेंगे कि शशांक क्या है ये, मतलब 20%, 10% इन्वेस्ट करने में इतना क्या ग्रेट हो जाएगा, राइट? कैन आई रिटायर बाय 40? Now please understand, अगर आपके पास टाइम हो तो कंपाउंडिंग का इफेक्ट आ जाता है, राइट? Now we'll discuss what compounding is in this video slightly later. Now there's a famous rule in the equity market known as the 100 minus age rule. Now according to this rule, subtract your age by 100 and the resultant amount should be your investment into equity. So अगर मेरा age अभी 30 years का है and I have to minus it from 100, तो अभी मेरा age आता है 70. So 70% of my amount has to go into equity. Now if you're 25 years old, फिर 100 minus 25 आता है 75. So 75% of your investment amount goes into equity. Simple rule, ज़्यादा सोचने का नहीं, right? Now, some good asset classes can be your SIPs, can be your mutual funds, right? Can be your stocks, can be your FDs. अगर आपको stock picking नहीं आते हैं और आपने इतना research नहीं किए, तो आप simple mutual funds करो. No problem at all, right? You can do an SIP into a mutual fund. Now, although this number can vary depending on your risk appetite, right? Because आपका अगर risk appetite high है, तो आप कुछ अलग कर सकते हो. But never invest all your money in one asset class. Always try to diversify as much as possible. अलग अलग जगह पे डालो, एक जगह पे मत डालो, right? Now you can invest some of your amount even in gold. Now that doesn't mean jewelry खरीदो, but go buy something like a government aided sovereign gold bond. आपको interest भी देता है, अच्छा भी है. So आप अगर gold खरीदने जाएंगे तो आपको making charges आएगा, GST आएगा, बहुत सारा problems है, right? Now this will keep giving you some stable returns. So SGB is a good option there. Now another investment class where you can invest 20% of your investment amount are crypto assets. Now crypto market again is a fairly evolving market, and since it's still relatively new, it's a bit volatile also. So you have to do your own research before any investments. But there are literally thousands of cryptos in the market. Shashank, kidhar dale, kya kare? It is too confusing. Don't worry. This makes it even more important for you to find potential and good crypto projects. How? मैं नहीं बताने वाला. You have to do it through self-education, right? Self-learning. Now there is also a detailed video on our channel, right, which talks about how to do your own research in crypto space. So that is a good start. Go watch that video very fast and obviously thank us later. And अगर आपको thank कर दे तो subscribe और like भी कर दो. Okay, thank you. Now, just like how we have normal SIPs, you can also start a crypto SIP with as less as 100 rupees. And in the case you have a good risk appetite and you wish to go for a larger crypto investment, then you should definitely check out this video for a clear understanding before you make any moves. Okay? However, only invest an amount that you can afford to lose here. Okay, have patience. With time and with compounding, all your financial goals can be easily achieved, right? And that is what takes me to our next segment, which is power of compounding. And compounding or investment, they go hand in hand. Some people even call it the 8th wonder of the world, right? Atvi chamatkar. Don't worry, just kidding, right? But seriously, compounding is basically about return percentage being calculated on the increased base. Okay, so you basically have to keep investing at a very young age and that will keep compounding over a long period of time और आपको जो investment है continuously बढ़ता जाएगा. Let me give you an example. सब easy कर दो, right? Suppose you invest 100 rupees and you get 20% annual returns. तो कितना होता है? एक साल के बाद 100 rupees 20% returns के साथ 120 rupees हो जाते हैं, right? Now in the second year, right, returns will be calculated on this 120 rupees, not on your 100 rupees. तो अगर 120 रुपीज पे अगर हम लोग ने वापस 20% ऐड किया तो आपका फाइनल रिटर्न्स फॉर ईयर 2 becomes 144 rupees. Now imagine if you deposit 500 rupees every month for a period of 30 years and your annual rate of interest is 15%. Just सोचो क्या हो जाएगा, right? Your returns will amount to an approximate rate of 40 lakh rupees, even more if your interest rates are better, right? Now, while your invested amount is just 500 rupees into 12 months into 30 years, which is only 1.8 lakhs, your return is more than double of this amount, right? So imagine if you start off with a greater amount and continue to increase your principal amount by 10% every year, which we spoke about, which is the step up investment. तो just सोचो क्या हो जाएगा आपका investments का, right? Now, compounding can do wonders. Is just about patience and smart investment tool. अगर आप smart तरीके से invest किए and if you take the power of compounding और आपके पास बहुत सारा patience है तो आप बहुत कमा सकते हैं हर जगह से, right? Now SIPs in both mutual fund and crypto can help you get this 40 lakhs or 40 plus lakhs. It can help you achieve this momentum. Now that we've learned all this, the main question is, Shashank, thank you for all of this knowledge. Where to invest? बताओ ना कहाँ invest करें? रुक जाओ. Comes to our next segment, which is where to invest. Now 20 years ago, investments were very difficult, right? बहुत सारा मगजमारी था उसमें. But today, they can be done with a single click. There are multiple applications. You have Zerodha, you have Grow to basically help you invest in equities and open SIPs as well. For other investment classes such as cryptos, we have CoinDCX, which is a very helpful crypto exchange in India, right? The CoinDCX basically helps you invest in crypto and start crypto SIPs that we spoke about and even earn passive income over your crypto holdings with CoinDCX Earn. Now for more clarity on choosing a crypto exchange, you can watch this video to understand how to choose a safe crypto exchange, right? So this was all about how to start investing in your 20s and obviously beyond, right? So this was all about that. Now financial freedom comes with smart decisions, right? Not just sharing motivational quotes on Instagram. मैं भी नहीं करता हूँ, but अगर आपको अच्छे से पैसा कमाना है फ्यूचर में तो आपको बहुत सिंपल चीज करना पड़ेगा. You have to start doing your SIPs, you have to have some patience. थोड़ा patience रखो, लंबे समय तक मार्केट में रुको, volatility देखो कैसा है, आपका investment avenues देखो कैसा है, and finally if you do all that after 20 to 30 years, you will make a lot of money. Now again, don't forget to share it with your friends as well. Don't just make money for yourself. Please share भी करो क्योंकि हम साथ है, vibes भी देना चाहिए. And in return, click here above to watch this 7 ways to be healthy and happy by Naval Ravikant on our channel. Now this video isn't financial advice, so as I said, please DYOR, do your own research and educate yourself before doing any kind of investments. By the way, I'm going to see you guys in the next video with more tips and tricks on financial freedom. So stay tuned. This is me, Shashank Godoppa, signing off. But wait. Before I go, please click on the like button, share this with your friends, hum saath hai vibe, and also subscribe to the channel. This is me, Shashank Godoppa, signing off. Take care. See you guys. Bye.
Crypto products and NFTs are unregulated and can be highly risky. There may be no regulatory recourse for any loss from such transactions.